My name is Bryan Larson, and I'm one of the orthopedic surgeons that specializes in joint replacements here at Bellin. Yeah, I knew I wanted to be a doctor when I was growing up. My dad was my example, and he always treated people with compassion and care, and that's what's in my heart, and I would love to carry that on. I grew up over in Madagascar. My dad was a missionary doc there, so I grew up there and graduated from high school. But then the journey took off and went to Concordia up in Moorhead, Minnesota for my college, and I ended up at University of South Dakota for my medical school. After medical school, I went to Flint, Michigan for my residency, and then I spent a year in Charlottesville, Virginia for fellowship training in joint replacement. I think the most satisfaction is watching someone that comes in so much pain and discomfort, and then having them come in the follow-up with a big smile on their face, and now they've been able to do things that they weren't otherwise able to do. When I first meet a patient, I really want to get to know the patient. I ask, what brings you in? How can I help you? I think that people will express to you what their need is when they feel connected with you, and I want to connect with them. I want to know about their life's journey, maybe not just their knee and what that's doing to them, but a little bit about them too. I expect them to ask me questions and to be very transparent and open because I'm here to help them. I expect that they're going to give me feedback if there's something that they really need and they didn't get it. I want them to know they have the opportunity to ask me all the questions that they can, because I want them to leave satisfied. I want them to leave knowing that, hey, I've got their back and I'm going to try my best to help them in that journey that they're asking me to help them in. Bellin Health has a great culture that's surrounding all of its providers and the community. One of the very impressive things that I've seen with Bellin Health, again, is the collegiality of the joint replacement and orthopedic community here, and also the support that they have from the administration.